ano lang ako, ganito. I might be really a small-time boy. No credentials, impressive ones, no nothing. But what I have is just a basic sense of my love for my country and for my children. You get to realize how important your country is kung may mga anak ka na. Kung yung tayong binata pa, no, it was a wildlife. Pero nung may mga apo na ako, ibang istorya na to. So it's at the end of the day, it's our country. Ngayon dito sa kayong nagputok dyan sa Maote, they have all been accounted for. Nahuli ko na lahat. Ang isa dyan, anak ni Sema, ng mayor ng Cotabato. He is now detained dyan sa Malaysia. You know, we have a good working relations with Mahathir and with Dudo. And hindi pa dumating yung mga fast boats ko eh. Pero ang order ko talaga sa sundalo. Pag na-kidnap ka, sila kahabulan, and the Indonesian army the Navy would pursue you inside my waters. I said, okay, if we do not have any available sea assets that are around, you can go ahead and blast them off. That's same with Mahathir. Ako ang order ko talaga sa Navy, sa Coast Guard, basta nag-kidnap tapos trying to escape, pasabugin mo na silang lahat. Sabi nila sa hostage ko, sorry, collateral damage. Then if they are blasted every day, that would stop, or at least places into a parity. Hindi ka lalamang sa kulukuhan mo, pasabugin kita. Kaya wag kayong magpa-kidnap, totoo lang. Sila na, si Duterte talagang gago yan, masama yan, palaawa yan noon. Well, that's tatapos na yan, that's something which is a non-issue anymore. Wala na. Kung gago man ako, no, itong pagkagago ko, gamitin ko na rin sa mga gago. Pero wag mo akong, kasi sabihin ko, yung nagbumba niyan, sabi ko, hulihin talaga. And we were able to, and also I'd like to thank the Americans. I'm saying that's a joke. Their imperialism days, it's different from the original. Huwag yun magkumpiyansa ngayon when you go out of, aside from my camera, yung sa syudad natin, may ibang camera pa, so yung mukha mo nakikita talaga. You know one thing with this drone, anak ka na. Sa gabi, hindi mo makita eh. Andiyan lang pala sa tutok ng Marco Polo. They can take pictures. So we had the faces. So it was very easy for us to catch them. Yung iba, well, I'm sorry, may mga muro tayong kapatid. Ito ang pinatay ko. It's not easy to just bomb a place and say, at least safe in the sense that we can prevent it if on time. Because we were able to, almost all kinds of tao dito na kuna na ng picture. But sometimes it cannot be prevented. But dito tayo sa, balik ako, may nakalimutan ako. Dito sa graft and corruption. Alam mo, kayo lang ang makahinto niyan eh. Hindi ako. Kayo lang talaga. The Filipino guy must be assertive. do not be afraid of government employees, even the military and the police, if you are right. That is what I guarantee you now. Kung gusto mo talaga magtulong sa bayan mo, you have the 6 years window. But I really do not know if I will last that long, but meron kayong window to stop everything. All you have to be is just assert. Demand the service. Huwag kayong magbigay, you create a scene, at saka magkagulo yan, I will eventually take notice of it. Kasi magkaroon niyang may away, skandalo dyan sa Register of Deeds, dyan sa, yan, palaging walang papel. Ako, basta ganon, zero tolerance ako. Kung ako ang nagkamali, pasensya, umalis ka na lang. Tuluyan na lang natin. Pagdating dyan sa customs, kung buksan nila, kayo ang magbukas. Tapos kung magpurot-purot na sa search, okay lang. Maybe they're looking for shabu. No? Tapos yung mga perfume na marami, kung kunan mo, may isang box ka. So, no. That is not taxable. Hindi lang commercial quantity. Wala akong basar. Ito sa asawa ko, sa anak ko, sa kabit ko, sa isa kong kabit. Huwag kayong pumayag. Kung may maghingi, sabi mo, ano? Pakiulit nga. Wala bang. Because on the national level, ang department choose to be many years, NIDAN, for all of its rotten, NIDAN, yung ating application for a railroad, sa awa ng Diyos, wala hanggang ngayon. Ngayon, I'm just giving them one department, 1 month. BIR, 3 days. I will demand now from the local governments, sundin lang ang Davao. Not sans the hubris, walang yabang yan. I am not into it actually. I loathe it. 3 days. Pag hindi, mayroon naman, binigyan ko kayo space for you to tell me. Nandyan yung 8888. Mayroon pagkatapos niyan, after the news, bakante yan. Bihin mo lang, Office of the Register of Deeds of whatever, itong si ano naghihingi. Period. I'll take it from there. Sabi ko, umalis ka. Sabi ko, hindi abot yung pangalan mo dyan. Gano'n, wala na yung civil service. Putang ina yan. Yan nakakagulo eh. Yung right to be heard, kung ayaw mo, ilan na dito, police. Assign ko sa hulo. LFTRB. Kita mo, wala na. Yung mga kurakot, ay 92 of them. Sabi ko, mag-resign kayo. Hindi ko lang, para hindi rin ma-insulto kasi may mga anak eh. Diyan lang ang problema. We would really want to avoid also the embarrassment, but sometimes we cannot help it. As much as possible, kung just go into the night without any rokos. Kayo lang ang hindi ako kasi nandito. Sige ako nagsabi, wala. Tapos wala naman akong feedback. Pati sa taas. Pati yung mga bid ngayon ng mga pantalan, it will go into a process. Sunny is here. I have Tugade. Puro bright ito sila. Tugade is a billionaire. He was our valedictorian sa law school. Sunny, valedictorian. Yasay, salutatorian. Bit Aguirre, cum laude. Si Lorenzana sa defense. Si Kibuloy ay nagsabi sa akin, they were classmates in Cotabato sa Notre Dame. He was the valedictorian. Sa klase niya sa PNP, he was the valedictorian. Walang. Pernia is a emeritus sa UP. Briones. Sa stalwart ng sa economy, the national treasury. Si Tigualo, well, she was in prison. Ex-convict yan eh. Kasi kinulong ni Marcos. Mariano, ex-convict. Kulong yan. Si Lisa Masa, convicted yan. Ex-convict sa kinulong ni Marcos yan. Kaya yung aming cabinet, it's a very, not really chaotic, but magulo. Ganon ka lang. Ganon ka lang. Kasi pagkatapos, medyo okay, lumano lang lahat. Ganon lang yan. Puro bright yan. I have assembled one of the, hindi lang alam na matakala nila na Bit Aguirre, sigod, kita mo na pa-acquit niya sa web. Ano yan? Classmate ko rin yan. May dalawa pa akong classmate para wala kayong duda. Bambit Mendoza sa Supreme Court. Justice. Pati si Buji Santos. We were classmates. Yung klase namin yan. O kaya, ang plano sa akin ng Diyos, gawin ako presidente. Ang plano nila ito, klasanin yung mga bright, pinaaral ng Diyos ng husto, binigyan ng utak. Kasi sila ang trabahante ko. Paano ito? Si Duterte, wala mo na itong alam nung ako. Sige mo lang ito, bilyar. Well, kayo ang nagkamali, hindi ako. Po, yan ang economy, it will come. Huwag mo lang just show good faith. Then, the most important really is the leader must avoid the slightest taint of corruption. Ako sa awa ang Diyos naman, 23 years ninyo akong na mayor. Not in my system, actually. I got it from my father. He was governor of this place many years ago. But it's hard to, when you, paano ako na, I was a fiscal, and at the same time, wala pa yung ombudsman, Tanod Bayan pa yan. I was a special prosecutor for the Tanod Bayan. I used to go around Mindanao prosecuting malversation case. Kaya master ko yung disbursement ng yung presentation. Pinag-aralan ko talaga yung step by step paano magpasok ng ebidensya. Yun lang ang trabaho ko. Tanggapin ko kasi wala akong trabaho. Pero maybe I'm used to just anyway, I think that we should have a respite of corruption. Ngayon, if you want your country really to grow, ayaw ko ng away. That's why I talk to Abe, I talk to no military alliances, no nothing. I do not even want I want the country freed of foreigners, soldiers. Ayaw ko. Time for the Philippines to sibat na kayo. We're good enough. We're good now. So, hindi ko na kailangan yung magpatrolya. Let me just talk to my brother Moro and the rest of it. And maybe from there on, somebody should, wala na ako, maubusan ako ng panahon. Another Filipino should stand up and do the right thing. Huwag na yung kailangan, hindi natin kailangan mga sundalo. Actually, sinabi ko kay Abby, hindi ko na kailangan yung mga missile, mga baso. Because as you see now, sometimes it's Putin who is very conciliatory. And now Trump is almost also disregarding, ignoring the reports of the hacking. Is reaching out. If we start a war, a third world war, that will be the end of the world. Pag binitawa lahat yung nuclear, ngayon, kung meron tayong si Kim Jong-il, itong buang nasa North Korea, he's the wild carder. Not Russia na to. Putin is just an ultra si Putin Ultra. But ang gago niyan itong sa North Korea lang. Kung mamatay ang buang na yan, okay na tayo. And the Philippines would be okay. Okay na tayo. Okay na tayo. Corruption, wala na yan. Terror, hayaan mo na kami mga military. So I was watching with, I was amused to, listening to Ronnie Go. He used to be a pilot and he used to fly for me. When I was mayor, sila one of those guys who would fly the chopper. Sa Kasap siya. So nakita ko metamorphosis ng tao to a family and then a businessman. So kagaya natin, he has children, he have children, your grandchildren. We should cooperate. Kung gusto talaga ninyo, ang anak ninyong will not be thrown into a very corrupt, help me. All you have to do is to just say, excuse me, ano sinabi mo? Pera. Sampalin mo. I will answer for it. Basta totoo lang nangyari. Sabihin kong putang ina ka, ikaw nag-umpisa, papatayin kita. You do. Gantihan mo yung plain citizen, I will kalagkarin kita. Hindi ako sabi ko, kayo magkumpiyansa sa akin pag ako talagang you create a scandal. You report. Place it there. Walang libel yan. Ako ang mag-publish. That's publication Pag yan naman, but ikaw naman nagpapadala sa akin. I just can't keep it. But if I publish it, ako yung ano yan may saying dyan he who is the cause of the cause is the cause of them all. See? If you are the cause because you are corrupt, then you deserve what the succeeding events will be. He who is the cause of the cause is the cause of them all. So that's my warning to all workers in government. Lahat. Ang hindi ko kontrolado ang judiciary because that is a different department. I am not supposed to intrude. That would be unconstitutional. And of course, Congress, hindi rin natin kaya. Makaya natin, pagdating ng panahon madali, wala na yan. 60 days. Kung ang presidente mag-declare ako, my ground to preserve my country. That's the highest. To preserve the integrity of my country, that there will be more Filipinos, more attuned to the civilized practices of the world, and at least happy. Yung iba, pagbaya mo, the dirty job, hindi man ninyo kaya rin. Pag sabi na, wag mong gawain yan, putang ina mo, papatayin talaga kita. at pinatay kita, ay, no, sabihin nyo, I'll end this by saying, you want walang patayan, no deaths? You want a city with no military men, no patrol cars wherever? You want na ang punerarya magbangkaruta na? Madali lang. Drop your guns if you are a terrorist. Drop the shabu tonight, and tomorrow it will be heaven. Maraming salamat po.
Daghang salamat. Palangga namong President Mayor Rudy Duterte, and may we request the President to have a photo opportunity with the members and guests in 16 batches.
Please come up on stage as your table number is called.
And for the guests to please take your seats.
You may now take your seats. We'll start off with tables number 23 and 24. Again, tables number 23 and 24. We'd like to request tables number 11 and 12 to be ready because you're going to be next.
Madilim na kahapon, ikaw ang mag-aahon. Sa piling mo, di ko mawawala ang korupsyon. Tayo na, Pilipinas.
All right, at the count of 3.
Tayo na,
1, 2, and 3. Thank you.
Next group, tables 11 and 12, please.
Para sa pagkasenso.
And the next tables, tables 22 and 21.
Ikaw at ako, tayong lahat kay Rodrigo Duterte, para sa tunay na pagbabago.
On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, thank you.
Next batch, tables number 22 and 21. We would request tables 10 and 13 to please be ready because you're going to be next.
Rape, droga at mga nakawan, dapat na mapigilan.